Alright guys, let's check out my brand new 2023 Audi S5 coupe. Alright, so right off the bat, what do you guys think of the color? I think it's pretty funky, kind of like a green and goldish color. In the sun, it really stands out. Very different from the other color that Audi is offering. My specific Audi S5 has the blacked out grille. The trim is also blacked out. So here's the side profile for you guys. The car kind of sits like nice and low. The rims, they're 20-inch rims with Continental tires, same size with the back as well. I do like the design of these Audi rims. They look really sexy and sporty. The brake calipers in black, I believe you can option it out in red, but you have to pay extra. Mine doesn't come with the red, but black looks also pretty good. All right guys, so now we're coming to the rear end of the car. I do like the all LED tail light design. It looks very slick, very sexy. We have a quad tip exhaust pipe, and we do have a blacked out badges here as well. While we're in the back, let's open up the trunk. Let's see if I can fit into the trunk. The trunk looks pretty deep, so let me see if I can. Oh yeah, you can fit in there easily. Yeah, so let's close up the trunk and let's check out the interior, shall we? Let's go. Just like the exterior, the interior design is also tasteful and sexy. It has got the carbon fiber trim. In terms of the dashboard, it has full digital display. The infotainment system, we have a 10.1-inch touchscreen now. There's two cup holders right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It fits one of these water bottles just perfectly. So this armrest can kind of move like this. You can also tilt it, and then it holds in the angle. If you want to push it down, you gotta lift up and then push down. I learned that the hard way. And in terms of the steering wheel, very sporty. It's the S badge at the bottom of the wheel. I like this design right here as well. It looks just very sophisticated and very expensive. And then on the steering wheel, there's a bunch of buttons for you to kind of change your music. There's like this rotary thing. You can kind of scroll up and down your information on your dashboard. You can manually kind of tilt and telescope your steering wheel. The gear shifter is pretty sexy as well. When you hold it, it's nice and firm. You can do manual shift, you push to the right, and then you can go manual shift up and down as well. Right now, the car is in the sportier dynamic setting, and you can feel the suspension tightens up. Steering wheel is also a little bit tighter. You get more engine sound. And in terms of the wind noise or the tire noise, I can hear a little bit of the tire noise, but definitely there's not much wind noise. Woo! Yes. All right, let's do one more time. Wow. Alright guys, so this car is definitely not a slow car. The 0 to 60, I think it's in 4.3 seconds. The way this car sounds, it's like, I love it. It's a little bit quiet, but I think with an easy kind of exhaust upgrade, I can get more sound of the engine. So I might do that down the line. Let me know if you guys want to see that happening. The design of this S5 is absolutely spot on. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at it from all angles. See how high it sits up there? Almost fits like 3 fingers. Also the same goes to the back right here. Same thing. So that leads to the first mod which I'm gonna do, which is get this S5 lowered. I'm gonna get it done next week. So the next video would be this car getting lowered. And I'm gonna put spacer on the front wheels, also the back. All right guys, let's do a little bit more pulls. Let's go. Woo! It does have pops and bangs. I don't know if the microphone will pick up the pops and crackles, but it does it like constantly when you let off the gas. It just goes up. So there you go guys, the 2023 Audi S5 Coupe is gonna be my personal car for the next little while. Leave a comment guys, did I make a good decision from a BMW M5 to the Audi S5?